Good day, guys. You are joined the StudyGate YouTube channel. So today I am going to talk to you about the 10 best ad networks in the world. You can earn money by showing such ads to visitors for the websites or blog you create. If you have not already subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe now and join us. If your website or blog cannot get AdSense from Google AdSense, you can try one of the remaining 9 websites and get advertisement for your website. So let's see about these ads network 10. No need to wait for days like Google AdSense. You don't need that much traffic. You can create a website and connect with this ads network company and get an ad program for your website and earn $100, $50, and $20, $10. PayPal, Payoneer is the most supported. Also, some websites have bank transfers. Let's see what these sites are. The first website is media.net. This site is similar to the Google AdSense platform. And that's what you can take care of. You can withdraw a minimum of $100 from this ads network. Here you can see the ads category like CPC, CP. You can easily get advertising programs by adding your website to this ad network. Media.net is a good advertising network for you. The next site is propellerads.com. This site is similar to the Google AdSense platform. You can get the minimum payout for $100. You can also get the payout through PayPal. Here you can see the ads category like CPC, CPM, and CPL. If your website has good traffic, you can use this ad network to make money. So you can try this site too. The next website, clickkahoot.com. This ad network is an ad network used by many content creators. You see, they have a great ad network. This site is similar to the Google AdSense concept. Here you will find side ads, banner ads, as well as a bunch of ads like CPC, CPL in this ad network. This ad network is a good ad network for you to create a website and get an ad program for it. You can also get a minimum of $10 payment through Payola. The fourth site is popads.net. The specialty of this site is that you do not have to spend much time. A day or two after you create a website, an ad program can easily get to your site and blog, even if your site is not very crowded. The ads network also offers the ability to withdraw $20 via PayPal and wire transfer. Okay guys. The fifth website is revenuehits.com. This ad network can be viewed in a similar way to the Google AdSense concept. This revenuehits.com website is a good ad network to get ads for your WordPress website and blog. You can also see a large ad network associated with them. Get a minimum payment of $20 per PayPal. You can also view the CPA and CPC ad categories on this ad network. The next site is infolinks.com. This is a group of websites that go by the concept of in-text links ads. Infolinks.com is a great website where you can get ads for your blog and website. This ad network facilitates the ability to withdraw money after $40 via PayPal, wire transfer. CPC, CPA, and pop ads ad formats can be found in this ad network. You can create a publisher account from this ad network and access the ad program for your website. The next ads network is called bidvertser.com. This ad network is one of the most used ads network. You can easily monetize your website even if there is not much traffic. Pop ads and CPC category ads can be viewed on this ads network. You can also withdraw $10 through PayPal and Payoneer. The next site is content.ad. Through this ad network you can easily get ads for a website or blog that has good content. You do not need a lot of traffic like Google AdSense to apply for this ad network. Getting an ad program for your site is very easy. You can get the minimum payout of $10 through PayPal on this ad network. The ninth ads network is taboola.com. This ads network is based on the concept of Google AdSense. Although not as good as Google AdSense, this ads network pays similarly. These ads must have normal traffic and good content to apply to the network. This is also a good ads network to get advertisements for your website or blog site. Next we are going to talk about the number 1 advertising network in the world. It's about Google AdSense provided by Google company. This Google AdSense also gives you the ability to withdraw money directly to your bank account. You can also get a minimum payment of $100. Although a bit competitive to get AdSense, this is currently the best ad network in the world. Today we are talking about the 10 best ads network in the world. If you have any questions or concerns about this, do not forget to leave a comment in the comments section below.